shirt. Family Customs. Follow Family Customs. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Octane Red 392, and it's that time again. It's giveaway time. So before we start, I like to take this time out to thank Family Customs for partnering with me on this giveaway. And let's get into it and see what they got for us. All right, nice hood prop. Got the Dodge logo on it, as you can see. So, how you enter to win this is you go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, go to my Instagram, follow me, post on my last 3 videos on YouTube, hood prop, hood prop, hood prop, and you'll be entered to win this awesome hood prop. Also, by the way, Family Customs is all-American company here in the States. All this stuff is American made, so big ups to them for creating more jobs in America. Also, they've been in this market since the 60s, from customizing cars, all the kind of stuff. So once again, check out their website at familycustoms.net. They have a real unique sense of style, personality, and dedication to their material and their products. So that's why I have a full set from them. I'm still waiting on them for the trunk prop. I got the hood prop, door props. I love them. I love showing them off, from Cars and Coffee to car shows, everything. So thanks for following the channel. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for following me on IG. For those newcomers, welcome to the channel. We're gonna have some new content coming up pretty soon from American Muscle Performance. And from this past weekend's West Palm Beach Cars and Coffee. Is amazing. It's one of the biggest ones in the country. It's awesome. Drove way down to West Palm Beach. Just phenomenal show. That's more good content coming up. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.